Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing very well. Last autumn I visited Mount Takao and it turned out to be one of the most peaceful days I have had in Japan. We took the Keio line from Shinjuku station and the whole journey felt calm, just watching the views slowly change. We finally reached Takao Sanguji station and yes, I even said bye to the train. It was a sunny day and the moment we saw the colorful trees and calm nature, we were just so happy.
Against the light.
Also, I am really grateful to my friend for capturing all these moments so beautifully. Every photo turned out better than expected. We were actually in a bit of a hurry, so we didn't explore much around the station, but the excitement to go up was really there. Seeing elderly people walking down the mountain made us feel really happy and motivated. I even asked my friend how she was feeling and we were both just excited like kids. Since we weren't sure about trekking, so we decided to take the lift, and honestly it felt like a mini roller coaster. Going higher and higher, seeing those incredibly tall trees for the first time, it was so exciting.
Here, we drop off one. We should say goodbye. Oh my god, you can see me! Oh god, so much scary. God. See how people are alone. Oh my god! So scary.
ここで仕事するでもあ、ちょっと待って
Takao-san, is it? Yeah. And it's becoming more and more. So the feeling of riding this lift, yeah, it's a little bit scary. You see? She's my friend. My dear sweetheart. After getting off, we took a short break. It had already been almost 2 hours since we left Tokyo, and we reached a popular spot and saw a long line for tango. And it was really delicious. As we continued walking, we saw wooden signs and small temples along the way. We didn't capture everything, but somehow those moments still feel very calm and special. After walking for a while, we decided to head back since we didn't have much time. On the way down, we took even more photos. It wasn't a long trip, but it's one of those days I will always remember. On our way back, we tried some local food again, and it was just as delicious. The small market felt both busy and calm at the same time, and somehow it reminded me of home, of my family, and everyone rushing back after a long day. While waiting at Takao Sanguji station, I saw such a beautiful moment. I could not stop myself from asking my friend to capture it again, and it turned out to be one of my favorite memories from the day. And just like that, we slowly made our way back home. Some days don't last long, but the feeling stays forever. Maybe that's why I still think about this day. Just a simple day, but a beautiful memory. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.